Welcome to the learning graveyard. What's cooking wording ain't so hard. In every dark corner there won't be a quarter, but you'll find a friend named Jack-O-Learn. Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes with Jack-O-Learn, and all your fears will overturn. So come on, little witches and monsters.
Hello, little witches and monsters. I am Jack-O-Learn.
I am Myst, the mad scientist.
In today's episode, Myst, the mad scientist, is going to show us a magical trick powered by science.
Yep, that's right. National Geographic Mega Science Series for our experiments.
Science magic kit? Cool.
Yep, and today's lesson is... make a snow cone.
Or instant ice.
To view our What to Get list, check the description below. Adult supervision required.
Put the water bottles into the freezer, lying on their sides and not touching one another. Check the bottles after 90 minutes. If you see small flakes of ice floating in the liquid and some condensation on the outside of the plastic, the bottles are ready for the experiment. If not, leave them in the freezer and check them every 15 minutes until they are ready. Remove the bottle very gently.
Ta-da!
Cool. But what's the science behind the experiment?
Whoa! Wow! Wasn't that incredible? Yeah! The science behind the experiment. When water gets to its freezing point, it requires some site around which ice crystals can form. In a process called nucleation, the water molecules start to gather into small clusters around a nucleus, or a central site. Nucleation can begin with a mechanical method, such as a sharp tap on the bottle. To freeze, water needs a nucleation site, somewhere for the ice crystals to grow. Without this, you can cool water to below its freezing point before it becomes a solid. The ice cube gave the pouring water some place to build crystals on, so the ice could form.
Huh? Wow, that was exciting!
Sure was. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We will see you again soon.
Have a haunted day!
Bye!
Bye-bye!
Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so fear. Explore horror themes.
Oh! And you can follow my YouTube channel too. Link is in the description below.